So both of these features are a product of our proprietary algorithm being connected in with ChatGPT, which I think most of the world knows about now from OpenAI. And the reason why we've done this is to help simplify a lot of processes for L&D teams, but also to maximize what you get out from your work as well. So this whole kind of principle of doing less and kind of getting more, and you'll see this as we go through here. So what you're seeing on our screen is Search Plus, and Search Plus is, as it says on the tin, it's our AI companion that is going to help us search and discover the best content in our library. And the reason why this is really important is because if you look at most of our searches within LXP and LMSs, they're pretty much like the dummy's guide to searching. And the reason why that is because you have to use very broad terms of searching to get content there. So an example of that would be if I say to our tool here, I want to find stuff on leadership, and this is, like I say, very similar to what we'll do with our learning tools. It will go away, it will look all of our content libraries, and it will search for those leadership assets within those libraries. And then once it's returned that, and you can see it's done that here, we'll have all those assets. The magic of this tool here is that it wants to help us refine those results. And this is where your LXP and NMS will not do that. And what it's asking here is, how can we be more specific in this? And it's a good question. And what I want to do in terms of being more specific is looking at emotional intelligence in leadership. So I'll say, tell me more about emotional intelligence in leadership. And then our companion will go away and it will take that input. And then you'll see in a few moments' time, it'll come back and it'll have an updated list that specifically focuses on emotional intelligence in leadership. So we are filtering down to the precise content we need. Beautiful. And if we need to, we can even go down further than that. So you can see here, our companion has given us even more suggestions to get to the kind of root cause of what we want to do. So you can continue to have that conversation to be more precise, or what we'll do is use the features on the right-hand side here, even not my left-hand side, the right-hand side, with all of our content to refine this even more. So what we could do is use these filters here that our customers know and love at the moment as part of our feature set. And we can do a number of things that you can see on your screen here. But what I'm going to do specifically is look at format. So I'm going to say I would like to just have this as a course or a book, and then that will filter down to just those formats. And I'm also going to say I don't want to do anything that's more than 20 minutes because we're all very busy. Now, what you can see here is that we filtered down a bunch of results now to less than a page, and we can pick out the precise ones that are going to work for us. So I can click on Communicative Emotional Intelligence module here, and that will take me to that module, which is fantastic. So look, in a nutshell, that is Search Plus. It's taking the next level of getting to the specific content that you need within your content libraries.